Hello dear student, this is Rishabh Jain. Welcome you all on our channel Spurs Feel the Success. In this video we are going to discuss some questions of reported speech, or we can say transformation of sentences. Before starting the video, let me tell you something, that in description section I have given you two PDFs. The first one is of subject verb agreement and the second one is of the rules of reported speech, which will definitely help you. So before going through this video, I will recommend you to go through these notes so that it will become very easy for you to understand these topics. Alright, so if you have understood that notes or if you have read that notes, then let's begin this video. Alright, so the very first question we are having is, he said to me, comma, inverted commas open, I will go home tomorrow. So this sentence given to us isn't direct speech, right? We have to convert it into indirect speech. So how we are going to do that? Let's start. The very first thing which we have to notice is the reported speech part. Now first thing we have to understand कि reported speech होता क्या है? The part which is given in inverted commas is reported speech. So I will go home tomorrow. I will go home tomorrow is the reported speech in this sentence. Now check the type of sentence. This sentence we can easily understand that this is an assertive sentence, right? This is an assertive sentence. So how to transform assertive sentence we'll understand in this video. The very first thing we have to do is, he said to me. We'll change this said to into told. What will write? He told me. Why did I write said to as told? The reason is, he is the speaker here. He is the person who has spoken this line, right? And me is the one who was a listener in this case, right? So when we are given with the speaker part and the listener part, we convert said to into told, right? Okay. Moving on to next thing. Now this comma and inverted comma will be removed. ये यहाँ से हट जाएंगे और यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? That आएगा. क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? That आएगा. Okay. Now tell me this I. ये I क्या यहाँ पे मेरे लिए यूज हुआ है? क्या I आपके लिए यूज हुआ है? No. This I has been used here for this he. I यहाँ पे किसके लिए यूज हो रहा है? इस he के लिए यूज हो रहा है. तो हम यहाँ पे जब लिखेंगे वापस से, तो हम यहाँ पे इसको कैसे ही लिखेंगे? He ही लिखेंगे. I will go home tomorrow. अब I will go home tomorrow कैसे चेंज होगा? I will go home tomorrow एक फ्यूचर सिंपल टेंस है. फ्यूचर के जितने भी टेंसेस होते हैं बेटा, उसमें विल या शैल आ रहा होगा फॉर श्योर, राइट? हम लोगों ने टेंसेस में ये चीज पढ़ी है कि टेंस के फ्यूचर वाले फॉर्मूला के हर एक फॉर्मूला में आपको विल या शैल देखने को मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. एंड दैट विल एंड शैल विल कन्वर्ट इनटू वुड इन दिस केस, right? So I will become he because I is used for he only. Now will change into would. Will किस में चेंज हो जाएगा? Would में चेंज हो जाएगा. Go home will remain as it is and tomorrow will change into the next day. तो ये चेंजेस जो है बेटा कि प्रेजेंट के सारे टेंस पास्ट में चेंज होंगे, पास्ट सिंपल, पास्ट परफेक्ट में, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस, पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस में, और फ्यूचर के जितने भी टेंसेस होते हैं उसमें विल और शैल जो आ रहा है वो वुड में चेंज हो जाएगा. ये चीजें सारी आपको, ये सारे रूल्स आपको पीडीएफ में गिवन है. तो बिफोर गोइंग थ्रू दिस वीडियो यू हैव टू गो थ्रू द पीडीएफ, राइट? तो एक बार आपने पीडीएफ पढ़ लिया तो दिस विल बिकम वेरी इजी फॉर यू. तो वहां पे पीडीएफ में एक और चीज वहां पे मेंशन थी कि टुमारो जो होता है, दिस वर्ड टुमारो चेंजेस इनटू द नेक्स्ट डे. टुमारो किस में चेंज होता है? द नेक्स्ट डे में. तो हम लोग यहाँ पे क्या लिख देंगे? द नेक्स्ट day. I hope this one is clear. Let me explain it again. The sentence which we were given was, he said to me, comma open, I will go home tomorrow. Right? तो हमने इसको कैसे चेंज किया? अच्छा, सबसे पहले हमने रिपोर्टेड स्पीच चेक किया. That was assertive format. He said to me, उन्होंने मुझसे कहा. Listener was also given, तो हमने लिख दिया he told me. In assertive sentences, comma inverted comma हटा करके हम क्या लगा देते हैं? That लगा देते हैं. यहाँ पे I किसके लिए आया है? I यहाँ पे he के लिए आया है, तो I की जगह हमने he लगा दिया. Will change into would. Go home as it is. Tomorrow will change into the next day. I hope this one is clear to everyone. Now let's discuss one interrogative sentence as well. Alright, dear student. So the next question which we are having is an interrogative format. The reported speech part is an interrogative format. So what we have to check is reported speech part, that is in the inverted commas, and the part in inverted comma is an interrogative sentence. How did I come to know? I came to know by this question mark. And another important thing is that R word here, this R is a helping verb which is coming in the starting. So we know this thing very well. When a helping verb comes in the starting, that means what? That it is an interrogative sentence. So how to transform interrogative sentence? We are going to discuss that thing here. Alright, so let me explain this one. This is again very very simple. रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब जो होती है इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में, वो किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी? आस्क्ड में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी. किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी? आस्क्ड में. ASKED. He asked. Alright. Now in this sentence, कॉमा इन्वर्टेड कॉमा हट करके दैट नहीं आएगा. असर्टिव सेंटेंसेस में हमने कॉमन कॉमा हटा करके वहां पे दैट लगाया था. बट इन इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस वी यूज इफ एंड वेदर. हियर वी विल यूज इफ. Are you coming home with me? Are you coming home with me is a present continuous tense, right? No doubt it's an interrogative sentence, but if we talk about the tense is present continuous, right? And as per the rules, we know that present continuous will change into past continuous. Now tell me the formula of past continuous. Past continuous का formula क्या हम लोगों ने ऐसा ही पढ़ा है? Subject plus was verb plus ing form of verb plus object. Yes, everyone has studied this one only, right? So if now what is subject here? You. So you, he is referring to someone. It may be he or she. We are considering it he right now. He subject we have written. He के साथ verb कौन सी आने वाली है? Was और verb. Subject verb agreement में हमने पढ़ा है he के साथ was आएगा. So we'll write he was. Now subject part is done. Helping verb part is also done. Verb ing form. ing form of verb कौन सी है यहाँ पे? Coming है. तो coming आ जाएगा. Home with. Just a minute. He was coming home with me. किसके लिए आया है? He के लिए आया है. तो हम यहाँ पे क्या लगा देंगे? Him लगा देंगे. Right? Another important thing which is very very important, when we transform direct speech to indirect speech, to which kind of sentence? Interrogative sentence. We never put question mark at the end. We never put question mark at the end. You always have to put full stop, right? Because we have made the sentences assertive. We have taken the subject in the starting and helping verb at the second position, right? After subject we have taken the helping verb. So this becomes assertive sentence after converting into indirect speech, right? So this was your interrogative sentence transformation. I hope this was clear to everyone. Now let's take one more example of imperative sentence, and after that we would have, just a minute. Yes, after this example, we will be feeling very very confident, because we have practiced an assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, and now we'll be practicing imperative sentence. So we will be able to solve so many questions after it. So let's begin the next question. Okay, he said to Amit, go back to class. Now this is imperative sentence, right? What kind of sentence is this? This is imperative sentence, because here the person he is ordering Amit to go back to class, right? So how we will transform this sentence? This is very very simple. What you have to do is, reporting verb becomes very very important here. Reporting verb is the verb which is introducing the subject with the reported speech part. That is reporting verb. No need to go in that much deep, because right now with the level we just need to transform. Although you must be clear with the concepts. Reporting verb is the verb which introduce the subject with the reported speech part. इस verb ने क्या किया है? इस subject को इस reported speech वाले part से introduce करवाया है, right? चलिए back to the topic. यहाँ पे go back to class में एक order show हो रहा है, तो हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? He ordered to Amit. Amit आ जाएगा. Always remember ordered, told, asked, suggested, warned. इन सब के बाद कभी भी आप to का यूज नहीं करेंगे, right? आप सीधा जो भी आपके ऑब्जेक्ट हैं, जिस भी पर्सन से कहा गया है, आप उनका सीधा नेम लिख देंगे. Now in imperative sentences, when we remove common comma, we put to, right? No need to change the tense. Go will remain go, back to class. Right? So we have practiced three types of sentences. The first one was assertive, the second one was interrogative, and the third one was the imperative. I hope you have understood it. If you want some more question to practice, then please do tell me in the comment section. If you actually want to practice some more questions, I will give you some more questions in the comment section only. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching it. All the best for your exams. Thank you so much.